data analytics class. Okay. So my name is Bhaskar Jogi. I'm in the IT industry. I have almost 24 years of experience in the IT industry. I started my career in Bangalore in the year 2000. Okay. I worked for many companies like Unilever, Daimler Chrysler, Infosys, Accenture. My last company was Microsoft Gachibowli. I worked with Microsoft as well. And currently, I'm not working anywhere, full time as an employee. I started Go online trainings almost, in 20, 10, we started this company, almost 14 years old company it is. We trained more than, 1 lakh people all over the world. If you go to any country, including US, UK, Pakistan, Dubai, Nepal, if you go to any company, my students are there, they're earning crores of rupees worldwide. Clear? So many people already taken the training. So earlier we had classroom trainings in Amirpet, but currently we don't have any classroom trainings. We don't have any offline classes. We have only online classes. Clear? So if you wanted to have any questions anytime, you can reach me. And if you need any career guidance classes also, I'm there. I can give you, there is no problem. You can also reach me anytime directly to this number. Okay, you can call me on this number if you have any questions. Okay, so 9919919452. If you have any career related questions, sir, I have 10 years of education gap. Can I get the job in IT industry, or can I learn the course, or I have educational gap. So, or I have done my BCom BA in Open University, can I get into IT industry? What is the salary package I can get it? Sir, I am a Telugu medium student. How do I learn this course? Everything. If you have any question, you should be able to call me directly. And all the questions you can ask me directly so that I will be able to give you proper guidance anytime. Clear? So save this number. So apart from this, you can also call my office if you need any other things. If you wanted to know any other guidance, you can also ask. You can also call. If you have any payment related issues, you can call office. Don't ask me those things because I'm not the right person to tell about the payments and everything. Chalo, guys. So that is about my profile. Now this training is going to be there for 3 months. So within 3 months, you can become a data analyst, or you can become a business analyst, or you can become a the software analyst. So role is not so important, job is important. Clear? I'm going to be conducting 3 demo classes today, tomorrow. Sunday is off. Monday we'll have the final class. Same meeting ID you must use to attend the demo classes. So after the demos, payment link will be sent, discounted fee will be given, and you will be able to make the payment in the installments. You can continue in this batch. Every month we will have only one batch. This is the time we don't have any weekend classes. We don't have any other timings. Every month we can start, we are going to be starting only one batch. If you miss this batch, next batch will be from April 1st. If you don't have the time to attend the daily classes means, no worries. You can also opt for the video training. So daily recorded videos are going to be uploaded in the portal. Everybody will get the videos, whether you come online or you can take the video classes. Daily videos will be available. You can also watch those videos in the evening if you're working for a night shift, or if you're busy in the morning, you cannot attend my live classes. You can watch these videos in the evening. If you have any questions, we can have one-to-one sessions in the evening. You can call me on these numbers. You can have one-to-one session, or you can also have, or you can have the communication at bhaskarjogi@gmail.com or goonline.bhaskar.gmail.com. Sir, this is the question I have. I wanted to connect with you one-to-one. Can we connect now? Yes. So if I am free, I will tell you we can connect now, or we can connect after 1 hour, or after 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the evening, whatever. If you're free, if I'm free, we can start one-to-one classes also. There is no problem. But you can opt for video trainings and you can complete the course. Clear? So everybody, whether you're attending live classes or you can opting for the videos, all the videos are available for the 6 months. Clear? So the course validity is for the 6 months. You can make the payment and have these, videos available for the 6 months. After 6 months, if you wanted to still continue the videos, means very, very nominal fee you need to make. Some 500 rupees you need to make, and you should be able to, opt for 1 or 2 months extra, or you can opt for 6 more months extra. No worries about it. So this is what is all the classes, and daily recorded videos are going to be uploaded. Everybody will be getting these videos. You must watch them. And even though you're absent for the class, you should not be worried about it. You have to prepare the notes on your own, right? So without the notes, we will not be able to crack the interview. So data analytics course is very, very simple. It is a booming technology in this year. So to attend this course, any graduate, any age, so any age gap is also fine. Sir, I'm 2010, MBA passed out, or BA passed out, BCom passed out, or I have done my BA Ambedkar Open University, degree. Can I get into data analytics? Can I get into IT industry? Why not? Sir, I don't have, any exposure. I'm a housewife. So I have 10 years of gap. Can I get into data analytics? Why not? You can be BA, BCom, BSc, botany, zoology, and MBA, diploma. Any candidate can get into data analytics. There is no problem. Can get into, the IT industry. There is no problem. Many people, BR Ambedkar Open University people, or people who are having 10 years of educational gap, 5 years of educational gap, those guys are able to crack the interviews. They're able to get a minimum 10 to 15 lakhs of salary packages. They're able to get it. Even though you have 10 years of gap, you should be able to keep 3 years of experience. How to implement that? I will be telling you at the end of the course. So no worries about it. How to prepare the CV, how to tell about a project, everything I'm going to be including in the same fee. There is no extra cost at all. One project is also included. Interview questions are included, sample CVs, everything I'm going to be taking care. Only thing is that you need to daily practice minimum 2 to 3 hours of classes without to fail. Okay. So that is what is important. Daily recorded videos will be there. You can also watch the classes in the evening and take the notes. Taking the notes is very, very important. Clear? You can complete the course within 3 months, and the fourth month onwards, we are going to be doing lot of interview preparation, project preparation. All of them are going to be there, and you're going to be starting your giving interviews. So initially you need to fail for 5 to 6 rounds of interview. Then you will be able to easily crack the interview. Many people said, sir, we paid 1 lakh, 2 lakh. They said they'll give the training in 1 month, and they said they can give me backdoor jobs. We paid 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Now I got the job. I have joined the company, and within a 1 month, I came back because I know I cannot do the job because I don't have the knowledge. They did not teach me anything. When I go there and ask, they're telling it is your problem. You did not study well, and we cannot repay the money. I lost 2 lakhs. Many people come back to me and they lost a huge amount of money. If somebody is saying we can teach you something in 1 month, or if you think that you can learn everything in 1 month, it is impossible. Clear? It is impossible. You should not go into those kind of institution. If anybody is asking, give me 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, means they're completely, they're fake guys. They're brokers. So they will take your money. End of the day, you don't get any job. IT industry is very strict today. You will lose the confidence and everything. We will give you everything here. 80 to 90% of the interview questions are going to be covered in my syllabus. You just fail for 3 to 4 rounds of interviews. Then fourth round onwards, you will be able to, you know, get the offer letters. I had seen people now getting 3 to 4 offer letters, not only one lot offer letter. Recently, one guy called Akshay, at the age of 36 from Pune, he was running a bakery and earning only 20,000 rupees. That guy came to me, sir, I'm getting only 20,000 rupees per month from my bakery. I'm stuck. I'm a BTech guy, a mechanical guy. I don't know anything about it. I'm fear about industry. I have Googled it. I came to know about your training institution. I don't want to do the trials and errors now. I wanted to get the good IT job. So he came, he joined in the month of September. In the month of November, he got three offer letters, 12 lakhs. One job offer, he got it. And one more job offer, he got 16 lakhs. The last job offer, he got a 19 lakhs salary package. The success story I have recorded, I kept in my YouTube channel, name Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel. You can just go, get and watch it. Clear? Many people who doesn't have anything. One housewife at the age of 44 from US. She is a Telugu girl, and after marriage, she went to US. Her name is Usha. At the age of 44, botany zoology student. She is getting bored at home because kids are grown up. She wanted to get into data analytics. She was, asking her husband to support. Husband said, "You learn some course," and she googled it. And she, called me once, and we spoke 1 hour. And she joined last year, and she cracked the interview in USA. You know what is her salary package at the age of 44? 1.2 crores Indian currency, 1.5 lakhs USD. So that is the salary she got it. A botany zoology student at the age of 44. Clear? In India also, one guy at the 47 got the job and is currently working with, I think, 22 lakhs of salary package in Bangalore. So age is not a problem. Botany, zoology, BA, BCom is not a problem. Do you have proper mentor? Do you have proper guru? Then definitely you will be able to get into data analytics. Now, to learn data analytics, what is the eligibility? What is that I should know? You have to know basic mathematics. In simple words, I'll say, if you know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, you're eligible to understand data analytics. మీకు 2 plus 2 equals to 4 అని తెలిసింది అనుకోండి, you can easily learn data analytics, because I'm going to be starting from very, very basic level to advanced level. It does not mean that you should know only basics, but you need to understand some more things. What are the things that I am going to be teaching in this data analytics course I will give you? If anybody telling you, data analytics, I can tell you, I can teach you in 1 month, you pay me 2 lakhs, you will get a job. Don't waste your time. If somebody is saying like that, if you're approaching those people, you lose the money, confidence, you will be jobless forever, I'm telling you. So don't go into the brokers, don't go into the bad institutions. So never approach wrong people, you will get the bad experience. Clear? So I have given the student a form. This form everybody has to fill. This form I'm going to be giving it to the chat window. So guys, people who came late, so they need to fill the form. This form is going to be asking you your email address, full name with the surname, location, mobile number, click on subscribe. So when you fill the form, two advantages: daily recorded videos you can get, and plus discounts you can ask. When you wanted to make the amount, we'll give you the discount. So everybody has to fill the form. If you're not able to fill the form, at least send your details to me or to my team. So you can also take these numbers. You can send the details to my team as well. Clear? So according to 2024, what are the hot skills in the IT industry? Don't go into Java, .NET today. Don't go into programming. Okay. So programming, if you join today, it will take 1 to 2 years to learn the programming. It will be very difficult. So apart from the Java, .NET, C, C++, so no coding, no programming tools are available in the market. So these are the booming technologies we have. According to one Telugu newspaper, this is January 1st article in Enadu. So data analytics, AI, ML, data science, and data engineering, cloud, and cyber security. So these are the booming technologies in 2024. All these technologies where no coding is required, no programming is required. Any non-IT people can get into IT because of AI. Because of AI, many small jobs are getting automated. If you're a call center guy, you lose the job. If you're an animation guy, now because of chat GPT and cab, Gemini and today Copilot AI softwares can create beautiful videos, beautiful images they can make. If you're a graphical, if you're doing a graphicals and everything, you lose the opportunities. If you're a recruiter, you lose the opportunities. If you're an operational guy or insurance banking guy, you lose the opportunities, because lot of AI technologies are going to be occupying your role. Clear? If you're earning 20, 30,000 rupees in the call center, definitely you lose the job. Clear? So don't be into those kind of a job. So if you're doing earning 20, 30,000 rupees means you're doing a crime. That is what I'll say. So why is that you need to do these kind of a things? When you learn this kind of a course within 3 to 6 months, you can get into IT engineers, and you can become a data analyst. Any non-IT people can get into IT also today. And otherwise you lose the confidence. You need to work for the night shifts, or you need to earn only 20, 30,000 rupees. You have to blame tomorrow your father, mother, parents. Nobody supported me, nobody taught me, nobody told me, nobody gave me guidance. All these are bullshits, right? So today, if you go to YouTube, many gurus are there, many mentors, good mentors are there. But if you don't approach good gurus, good mentors, if you approach brokers, then you lose the confidence, and you cannot blame anybody in your future or in your career. Clear? So you talk to us, you will be able to call me anytime. I can give you proper guidance. This is my direct number. You can also WhatsApp me. You can also call me on this number if you have any career guidance session with me. Clear? I can give you one-to-one career guidance session always. Chalo, guys. So these are the technologies that I'm going to be giving. So I have explained about trainer's profile, and I'm also explained about participant profile. You can have any year, any age gap, any qualifications you can have open university education as well, doesn't matter. So job opportunities and salary expectations in India and abroad, minimum 10 to 15 lakhs of salary you can expect in India within 3 months of this, after 3 months of this course. And abroad you can get a minimum 70K to 100K salary, US dollars you can expect in the US and Canada, right? So duration of the course will be 3 months, and we're going to be starting from March, April, May, and we're going to be completing methodology of the training completely assignments, case studies, purely online training. Daily recorded videos are going to be given. CV preparation, interview preparation, everything is included for free. Job placement assistance is going to be given for free. One project is also included for free. You need not worry about anything. Okay, if you ask something, that I'm going to be giving it. So no worries about it. Many trainers are going, many students are going to be telling me, sir, when I attend the interview, 100%, 90% of the interviews are from our syllabus. I did not prepare anything, sir. Only your notes, only your syllabus, only your classes I am practicing. I am able to crack 3 offer letters. I got it. So even the recession is going on, I am able to crack 3 offer letters today. A girl from Tirupati, her name is Pavani. She was working in Amazon as a call center last 11 years. You know what is her salary? Only 4 lakhs. Every time when she is communicating to Amazon HR, they say, hey Pavani, for this role, you can get only 30,000 rupees per month, not more than 4 lakhs. She is completely fed up with this answer, and she came back in the month of April last year. She joined the course April, May, June. She got the offer. You know what is the salary package? She got it 4 lakhs to 14.7 lakhs, almost 15 lakhs of salary package. She got it. I have also recorded her voice. I will send you her voice. She's from Tirupati, Chitturu. She's 11 years, call center girl. Like that, many people are there. One girl from Barampur, she called me, sir, my husband is getting 4 lakh salary. If I earn every month 10,000 rupees, that is enough for my family, because I'm there in Odisha, Parampur. If I get 10,000 rupees per month, that is sufficient. She came, and what is the salary package she got it? 18 lakh salary package she got it. Her name is Swapna. So, and a lot of success stories are available. All the success stories are available in, Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel. Just watch it once. Am I clear? So that is what is about the success stories. And what are the things we are going to be learning? Is it only Power BI? If you learn that is sufficient, the answer is no. Next 3 months, we are going to be learning all these technologies. Clear? The first technology I'm going to be talking about, if you wanted to come into IT industry, the first technology I'm going to be talking about SQL or SQL Server. This is a 45 day class. That is what you need to know. if you wanted to get into data analytics course. Am I clear? So this is the one, the course we're going to be offering along with the Power BI. So Power BI is the purely data analytics. So these are the two courses we are going to be starting from today. So this will be 45 days, 45 days. That means approximately this month and next month. So March and April. So we are going to be learning March and April. These 2 months, you have to complete these two things. Clear? So that is what you need to complete SQL Server, or we will say SQL. So here you will have 20% of the coding. So it is simply drag and drop software. No coding is there. No coding, no programming is there. Anybody can learn. So this is where you will feel bit difficulty. But if you have 10th class mathematics, you can easily understand SQL or called as SQL. Clear? So these are the two courses that we're going to be having in these 3 months, March and April. We're going to be having these two, and SQL Server for 45 days and Power BI for 45 days. Once it is done, you will come. Once it is done in the March or April, next is the May 2024. You will be able to learn the third course. The third course will be SSIS, is nothing but ETL course, extracting the data, transforming the data, loading the data. This will be 30 hours, 30-day course that you're going to be learning in the month of May. Clear? So plus you're going to be having, so these are the free courses that are going to be included. Free data warehousing for 10 hours is included, and 5 hours of SSAS is going to be included. Plus you're going to be having uh, one free project, CV preparation, interview preparation. All these things are included after the May month. So these are, you can plan, you can within 10 days you can complete it. So this is the complete thing that you need to plan next 3 months. But all these are simply drag and drop softwares, and all these things are going to be learned, because if you go to google.com or honest, naukri.com, if you say Power BI, if you learn only Power BI, you don't get a job. So along with the Power BI, they'll ask you, do you know SQL or SQL? Do you know SSIS or ADF? Do you know data warehousing? Do you know this? They'll be asking hell a lot of questions. Clear? But if you go to other institutions, they'll only teach you Power BI for 1 month. They will give you only 5 days of SQL. Then say, you give me 2 lakhs, I'll give you backdoor job. Then if you're ready for it, you lose your job. Clear? So we are going to be covering these many things. Why we need to cover? Why should I cover all of them? Because IT industry needs all these things. Clear? So I'll show you by going to the naukri.com. Let me go to Naukri.com, number one portal in India, right? So Naukri jobs, let us go and let us click on the jobs, and let me ask for it data analyst role or Power BI role. Okay, so let me go to Naukri.com. I'll ask for Power BI jobs, Power BI analyst or Power BI jobs. Any experience, let me click on search. Okay. Click on the search button. You will be able to see how many jobs are there today. 22,000 jobs are there today. How many job you need? You need one job. You need only one job. But in India, 22,000 jobs are available today. People are giving 5 years or 10 years of time for the bank coaching, teacher training, and there are no openings at all. And people are not able to give 1 month, even though these many jobs are not available in the market. These many jobs are available in the market. They come and they said, sir, I need to complete the Power BI training in 1 month course. But these people are ready to give 4 years, 5 years for the groups coaching, banking coaching, this coaching, that coaching. And if you really see, banker can get 70, 80,000 rupees per month after 5 years. But today, if you get a job, you will be able to get, 70, 80,000 rupees. My students who have taken the training in 2010, 2011, 2012, those people are earning 2 crores per annum in US. In India, they're earning 30, 40 lakhs in India, Hyderabad itself. Now, do you think that a banker or a banking job or insurance job or any other job can give you this much of a salary? Answer is no. But the problem, you're willing to give 5 years for the banking coaching, but you're not able to give not even 1 month for the IT coaching. I don't understand why the people are thinking like that. Everything they need within 1 month of 2 months of training. Can you get a 70,000 rupees per month job or 1 lakh per month job within 1 month of a coaching? Can it be done? So you need to think like that. So don't go into wrong perception. Don't go into wrong people. My cousin is there. He told me he can give a job. So cousins cannot give you job. Remember this. My brother is there. One brother is there in US. He is telling me complete everything in 1 month. He will give a job because he is having one friend who is HR. He will give me a job. So all these things are bullshit. Nothing is going to work. So don't worry about your cousins, your brother, your nephew. I am there. You talk to me. You could do the course. You complete the training. You can also get beautiful opportunities. And many people also will tell you, you cannot do like this. Many husbands will tell you, you cannot do this, you cannot do this. I had seen a lot of housewives, they came out, they have done the training, they're able to crack very good, beautiful job opportunities. Their family members, they did not believe it, right? Saying that they can, able to crack the interview after having the kids and everything, after 10 years of gaps, they're able to get it. So if you see it here, you're able to get beautiful opportunities. Let us understand what is the opportunities they're able to give. What are the things they're able to get? They're asking Power BI, SQL. Have you seen this? If you ask her Power BI, if you don't know SQL very well, and you will be going SQL development, MS BA, Power BI. See, what are they asking? Data analyst, MS, business analysis. See, what is that they're asking? It is for this company 6 to 10 years. This company is asking for 4 to 7 years, 5 to 8 years, 2 to 5 years. And how many days old? 2 days old. This is 14 days old. It is 1 day old. It is. You can see what are they asking? They're asking Power BI, dashboard development, and SQL. They're asking compulsorily. Clear? So there's BA tools, Power BA tools. See how many job options they are there. SQL, right? So this is 18 to 13 years. So they're asking all these things. Clear? So if you learn only Power BI, you will not be able to get the jobs. Along with the Power BI, they're asking you SSAs. Have you seen this? So we are going to be covering these SSAs, Power BI, Microsoft Azure. So all these things we're going to be covering. See, SSAs, SSRs, SSIs. So this is what they're asking you. So all of them are there. Go to my slide. I'm going to be giving you all these things. SSIS I'm giving you, SSAS I'm giving you, data warehousing, SQL. So whatever they're asking, not everything, at least the maximum things we are going to be covering. So this is the reason why you need to learn each and everything. Clear? So even the 3 to 6 years, they're asking everything to learn, right? So 6 to 10 years. So we can keep a minimum 3 years of experience, even though you have 10 years of gap. Or even though you have 15 years of gap, we can keep a minimum 3 years. How to keep that? Don't worry. You leave it to me. At the end, I will tell you how to apply for the jobs, how to create a CV. For each and every one, I'll be able to create. You see, what are they asking? So if you learn only single course, if you learn only Power BI within 1 month, if somebody is telling you you can get a job, it will be of no use. These many jobs are available. You can complete the course within 3 months. You cannot learn anything within 1 month. If somebody is telling you like that, it will be completely fraud. Clear? But how is the approach? What is that we're going to be doing? So this one, we don't have any live class. That is the thing. Sir, you don't have any live class, then how can we learn? We are going to be giving you video classes. All the videos are available in Telugu language, English, English language. So you can buy one copy of these videos. Daily, you need to watch 1 hour of video. So this is 1 hour of videos, 45 plus hours of videos are there. But don't watch 1 hour video at a stretch. You watch only 15 minutes. If you have a boring, you stop it. But you keep on writing the notes. You watch in the evening again, you got the mood. You watch another 10-15 minutes like that. You watch 15 minutes in the morning, afternoon, evening. You complete the class, 1 hour of the class like that. So daily you need to watch one sequence of video and complete. So daily you attend live classes of Power BI. So this is what we are going to be starting from in this month. Clear? So after the 3 classes of demos, I'll be talking about why SQL and everything. Don't worry about. I will talking about why SSIS, why data warehousing, everything I'll be talking about today and tomorrow. And after third class will be on a Monday. I'll be talking about each and everything. So technical things I'll start. Don't worry about it. But how do you start your course? You need to start your course SQL Server and Power BI. Power BI will be live from today. The demos will get over today, tomorrow, Monday. Demos will get over, and the fourth class we will install SQL and Power BI in your laptop. And after that, I'll give you SQL videos. You need to watch daily one video and ask me the doubts. I have given you my number, sir. I have a doubt in the class. Can we connect one to one in the evening? I'll connect, or you can ask me the doubt in the next day class. You can also show me your screen, sir. This is a problem I'm getting it. Can you see my screen? Yes, we will be able to see the screen. I will give you software. You install the software so that you will be able to show me your screen. You need not come anywhere. You can call me anytime. Like that, we can have the doubts, clarifications daily, morning, evening, anytime. We can also create a one group, Telegram group. We are going to be creating for the entire batch. You are going to be there. You will be able to, post your questions and everything there. Or I have given my phone number. Anytime you can reach me. So this is the issue I got it. So you can post me in the WhatsApp, in my phone number, right? So learning is not a problem for you because videos are there. I am there. And what is that you need? Only thing is that you need to have the time and the interest. If you don't have the interest, then nobody can, help you. And the data analytics, anybody can learn. My sister, who got her, BCom MBA, she got the job with, after her, marriage and 10 years of gap. She's able to, go into IT industry with the 2 offers. So she's working for one of the company with a 11 lakh salary package. Now, nobody is stopping you to, getting more opportunities. If you don't try, then definitely you cannot get the proper opportunities. Tomorrow you cannot blame. Nobody helped me. And if you catch the wrong gurus or if you catch the brokers and you cannot blame me tomorrow saying that, sir, I have wasted my money. That guy told me, say that, within a month I can get a job. If you're believing like that, nothing can happen. Why we need to do MBBS 5 years? That is the case. You can learn MBBS course in 1 month. You can become a doctor in the Yashoda hospital, right? So do you do like that? But people needs a job within 1 month. I don't know how they're believing it. Clear? So this is also one more, important thing to understand. Clear? So SQL Server and Power BI, you need to, start from this month. So daily one video you need to watch, and after that you need to attend this class. And this we are going to be completing within 2 months. So 2 months means when? March and April. So in the month of May, we are going to be starting this course. Everything is important. You cannot say, sir, I will not learn this. My friend told me he will give me SQL Server. I have some basic knowledge about SQL Server. You don't, tell me those kind of things, because 60% of the interview questions are going to be coming from here. Remaining 40% of the interview questions are going to be coming from all the technologies. Clear? If you don't know SQL very well, it is also called as a SQL very well, you will not be able to crack the interview job. If, sir, you cannot tell me, sir, I have basic understanding will not give you a job. I have some YouTube videos. My friend told me he will share the videos. All these things are useless. Clear? You will not be able to get into data, IT industry if you're taking it easy. Clear? So whatever I'm telling, you need to practice them and complete them as per my instructions. Clear? That is what is important, guys. And so this is a practice. SQL Server and Power BI 2 months. March and April we complete this data warehousing and SSIS and ADF, and we have one more thing. So all these things can be completed in the month of May, and after that in the May last week, I'll be preparing CVs, interview preparation, documents, and job placement. If you have a gaps and everything, all of them, I'll be talking about it. I'll be able to help you with this. So within 3 months, you will be able to complete the course. If not, you may take 1 more month extra. So 3 months, you can complete the course. After 3 months, you need to only practice and go for the interviews. Attempt and attempt and attempt. You will fail 5 to 6 rounds of interviews. If you have any questions, you can come back. This is how you will be able to complete all the courses. Power BI or data analytics is not a single course. Clear? Combination of the courses you need to learn, and all these things are very, very important. And what are the courses that we're going to be learning? Clearly, I told you. Now I'll be talking about all these things one by one. Okay, let me start the real demo. Clear, guys? And so now I will tell you what is IT industry. If somebody asks you, what is automobile industry, which is going to be manufacturing the cars? Clear? What is the telecom industry? No, Airtel and all of them are telecom industry, right? So automobile industry, pharma industry, hospital industry, hospitality industry, clear. But what is IT industry? IT industry means which is information technology. But can you tell me what IT industry is doing? Any idea, guys? What IT industry is going to be doing? Will it create a software? Tell me, what is it is going to be doing? Technology. What is the spelling? Is it correct? Yeah. So information technology industry, tell me what IT industry is going to be doing. Is it giving you a software to you? What Google is going to be doing? Google, Microsoft, Capgemini, IBM, Accenture, Infosys. What are they doing? Do you know what are they doing? They're doing only two things. Clear? IT industry is going to be doing only two things. So what are they doing? IT industry will have lot of data. So what is that IT industry is going to be doing? I'll tell you. IT industry is going to be doing only two things. Clear? So I stands for information. Information you can get from the data. Clear? Information you can get from the data. But what IT industry is going to be doing? IT industry is going to be storing the company's data. That is step number one. IT industry is going to be doing. Second one, it is computing the data. Only two things it is going to be doing. Computing, or it is also called as a data processing. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఏం చేస్తుంది అని అడిగితే ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి టేకింగ్ యువర్ డేటా అండ్ స్టోరింగ్ ఇట్. IT industry is going to be computing the data. It computes the data or it is processing the data. What do you mean by storing the data? You go to ICICI Bank. What ICICI Bank is going to be doing? Or you go to State Bank of India, you say, sir, I wanted to open my account. So what they ask you? They ask you your data. State Bank of India, they'll ask you data. What is your name? Give me your Aadhaar card, give me your address, give me your phone number, give me your mother name, father's name. So what are they collecting? They're collecting your data. So after that, they'll open one bank account. After that, what you do? So they have the data. You do a lot of data processing. So what kind of a data processing you do? What is the total amount I have withdrawn so far? You're going to be doing a summing operation. What is the last 3 months bank statement I wanted to have? That is one process. Or I wanted to say you are not maintaining average balance. This is the penalty. They're doing the data processing and they're giving you penalties. Clear? Or they will tell you this is the minimum balance you have to maintain, this is the maximum balance you need to maintain. So all the mathematical processes called as a processing or computing. So data processing, for example, I have a 10 and a 20, this is my data. Now what is the total? That is a 30. What is the average? That is a 15. What is the minimum? Minimum is 10. What is the maximum is 20. So these are called data processing, or it is nothing but your maths. Clear? So maths or nothing but your statistics. Or if you don't know about statistics, forget about it. It is maths. Clear? So what IT industry is going to be doing? IT industry is going to be storing your data, and IT industry is going to be computing your data, that is processing your data. That means you go to Amazon.com, you buy a lot of products. So what you do, your data is going to be getting captured in Amazon.com. After that, you will be able to see what is the total sales the company wanted to know. They're going to be processing. The today's sales is $1 million in India, or last month sales is this month, or this much, or last year sales is this much, like that. అర్థమవుతుందా? So IT industry is going to be storing the data, but for the storing purpose, it has to have one software, right? So to store the software, to store the data, what kind of a software IT industry is going to be using? The software is called as SQL. Clear? It is also called as a SQL. So it is also called as a database management system, DBMS. Clear? IT industry is going to be storing the data. If you go to State Bank of India, there is an application. So you go, you fill the form, you're able to apply. So apply for a new customer, this one. So you got the, you fill the form, the data is gone to State Bank of India, but State Bank of India not able to store the data without SQL. You don't know State Bank of India, so data is going to be stored by one of the IT company. So who's going to be, storing the data of State Bank of India? TCS company. So TCS company is going to be storing the State Bank of India data in the SQL. What is SQL? It is called as a database management system. It is also called as a relational database management system. Clear? So in simply, if somebody says database, database means a data bank. అర్థమవుతుందా? డేటాబేస్ అంటే అర్థం ఏంటన్నా? డేటా బ్యాంక్. డేటా బ్యాంక్ మీన్స్ గోడౌన్ ఆర్ స్టోర్ రూమ్ ఆర్ ఎ ట్యాంక్. ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఐ హ్యావ్ అ లాట్ ఆఫ్ బ్లడ్. వేర్ కెన్ ఐ స్టోర్ ద బ్లడ్? నా దగ్గర చాలా బ్లడ్ ఉంది. ఎక్కడ పెడతా నా బ్లడ్ అంతా తీసుకెళ్ళి? బ్లడ్ బ్యాంక్. ఐ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ గోల్డ్. నా దగ్గర చాలా గోల్డ్ ఉంది. గోల్డ్ అంతా ఎక్కడ దాస్తాను? వేర్ షుడ్ ఐ స్టోర్ ద గోల్డ్? గోల్డ్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ ద గోల్డ్ బ్యాంక్. నా దగ్గర చాలా డేటా ఉంది. ఐ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా. ఐ హ్యావ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ డేటా. వేర్ విల్ ఐ స్టోర్ ద డేటా? డేటా బ్యాంక్. డేటా బ్యాంక్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ డేటా బేస్. అర్థమవుతుందా? సో డేటాబేస్ మీన్స్ వాట్? ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ బిగ్గర్ స్టోర్ రూమ్. It can store large amount of data. It is a bigger storeroom, or you can say bigger tank. మీరు ట్యాంక్ లో వాటర్ నీళ్లు పెడతారు కదా, నీళ్లు పెడతారా లేదా? సో వాటర్ ట్యాంకర్ లో వాటర్ పెడతారు. అలాగే వీ హ్యావ్ సీక్వెల్ లో మనం ఏం పెడతామంటే డేటా పెడతాం. సో ఎస్క్యూఎల్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ బిగ్గర్ బ్యాంక్, బిగ్గర్ స్టోర్ రూమ్, బిగ్గర్ స్టోరేజ్ రూమ్, ఆర్ ఎ బిగ్గర్ ట్యాంక్, బిగ్గర్ రిజర్వాయర్. Clear? We have a lot of blood banks, Chiranjeevi blood bank, Care Hospital blood bank, Kim's blood bank. We have a lot of normal banks, ICICI Bank, State Bank. We have, Union Bank, Dhanalakshmi Bank, Deutsche Bank. We have a lot of banks, right? We have lot of RDBMS systems also available in the world. Okay, so SQL or database management system, RDBMS is there, which can store the data. But what are the RDBMS softwares we have? We have lot of RDBMS softwares we have. Clear? So that is what you need to understand. So this is the data storing purpose. You need to have what? An SQL. It is called as a SQL. Now, do you know what is the purpose of a SQL? Without data, IT industry is not going to work. But how do you process the data? Okay, I have the data. I need to do the summing operation, average, minimum. I wanted to sort the data alphabetical, order. I need to sort it. How do you perform this? To perform this, you need to learn a language, C, C++, Java. అర్థమవుతుందా? So all the languages are there to perform the computing operation, or data will be processed. What do you mean by processed? I wanted to know, I have data 10, 5, 20, 30, like that. I have data. I wanted to know what is the total. It is a processing. Who's going to be doing? C or C++ Java can do the processing on the data. So C will go to SQL, get the data, it will process the data. C++ also and can go to SQL or DBMS, get the data, it will process the data. Java, .NET, or we have Android today. You're using Android mobile phone. Android mobile phone is also software which is going to be taking a lot of data from the mobile phone. It is going to be performing a lot of operations. You may be having SAP. Lot of softwares are available. These softwares are going to be used to process your data. Now we have a Power BI or any BI software is also there to process your data. So only two types of softwares are available in the IT industry. One software is called as a data storing software, and one more software is called as a data processing software. These are called languages. అర్థమవుతుందా? But languages are very complex. You need to know a lot of coding. You never go into this. Always learn SQL related stuff, so that you will be able to easily get into IT industry. Clear? So as I told you, data is going to be stored where, Nana? If you want to store the data, we are going to be using a software called SQL, or it is also called as a DBMS or relational database management softwares. These are the softwares IT industry is going to be using. Now, as I tell you, what are the softwares? It's really softwares you have to know, right? The popular software is Oracle software. We have Chiranjeevi Blood Bank, Apollo Hospital Blood Bank. We have various blood banks. Like Oracle is one company. It is going to be giving you what software? SQL software or DBMS software, database management system or relational database management system software. So you can use this Oracle software. It is from the Oracle company, or you can use Microsoft SQL Server. It is from the Microsoft company, MS. Clear? Or it is SQL Server, same name it has taken. So it is also SQL software. It is also SQL software. You should not be worrying, sir, it is SQL, it is SQL. So both of them are same. No, both of them are same only. Whether it is also or SQL, Oracle is also SQL software only. SQL means data storage. Data storage means it is a go down. Oracle company will give you Oracle go down. SQL Server, Microsoft will give you Oracle, Microsoft, this one. And IBM company is going to be giving you, there is a software called DB2 from IBM companies, go down it is. Okay. So alage we have one more software called Netiza. It is from which company? Nana? IBM company. You can take any software, you can store large amount of data. Netiza, MySQL is one more software. Lot of softwares are available. You can go to Chiranjeevi Blood Bank, Apollo Blood Bank, Care Hospital Blood Bank. You can go to anywhere. You can get Teradata, right? You can get a PostgreSQL. Lot of softwares are available. All of them are called SQL softwares, or you can have a Sybase, right? Thousands of softwares are available around the IT industry, but the popular softwares are Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Netiza. All these are popular softwares. If you learn one SQL, you can easily get into IT industry. Remember, even though you're learning C, C++, Java, .NET, the faculty will tell you, you have to learn one SQL, because without SQL, you cannot do any processing in C and C++, Java, .NET, Android. So compulsorily, even though you will join Java course, you have to know SQL. Even though you learn Power BI, you need to know SQL very well. So this is very important. Clear? The second course I'm talking, second one, the data compute. Clear? You to compute the data, or it is nothing but you process the data. For the processing purpose, normally we are going to be using a language. Okay. What kind of a language we use? Any language. C is the number one language. Then we have C++. Then after that we have Java. Then we have currently Android, iOS, all of them. Whether it is a mobile language, this language doesn't matter. This language, Android, SAP, Java, .NET, this one, that one. But all the languages when you learn, you should also learn one SQL. Clear? Without that, it is not going to be working. So information technology, IT industry is going to be either storing the data or doing the computing or processing the data. For example, you go to tomorrow Amazon.com. Let me go to Amazon.com. I wanted to buy some Amazon laptop. So when you go and make the payment, I would like to buy this laptop, click on the payment. So from where the payment data will go, it is not going to be storing the data. This site belong to, this site is nothing but a Java site. So how the site is working, it is a Java application or it may be a .NET application, right? So it is going to be taking all the data. Tomorrow, if you when you make the data, so all the data will you go to where? Go to SQL. SQL Server, Oracle will be there that you cannot see it. So all the data, whenever you make the payment, whenever you cancel the product, whenever you order the product, or whenever you register with Amazon.com, not only Amazon, if you go to PhonePay and do the PhonePay transaction, you register you PhonePay first time with your mobile number or name, phone number, address, everything will get caught in the SQL of PhonePay company. Wherever you go, your data is going to be captured in the SQL. SQL could be Oracle, SQL could be SQL Server, SQL could be MySQL, SQL can be anything. So these are going to be storing the data in that database only. Clear? Now I told you, you need to buy one software, one laptop, not software. What kind of a laptop you need to store? You need to buy. I'm giving you. So I'm using Lenovo laptops. Let me search for the Lenovo laptops. You can buy any other company also. Below 35,000, you can get beautiful laptops. You can see i3 and 3 months. So this is a good configuration you can buy. I can give you in the chart window. Chart window lo pedutunnanu. ఈ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ల్యాప్టాప్స్ యూ కెన్ బై నాన్న ఫ్రమ్ అమెజాన్ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ గో టు లోకల్ కంప్యూటర్స్ అండ్ బై ద this kind of a software, this kind of a laptops. So minimum మనకి i3, i4, that kind of a processor we need. Minimum the software I'm going to be talking about is Windows 11 has to be there. Okay, na? So Windows 11 has to be there. Windows Core i3, Windows 11, 8 GB of RAM. We need only 4 GB of RAM and 512 GB hard disk, SSD hard disk. I need only 256 GB. So that is the configuration I'm talking about. So you can buy this kind of a laptops, or don't go for 55, 35,000 is also fine. We have Windows 11 is required, 4 GB of RAM, 256 GB hard disk is enough. So this is the configuration I need it. So don't go Celeron laptops. Don't buy these laptops. These are useless. Celeron, never buy. These are cheaper, but this cannot be used. You need to have Windows 11, and if you have Windows 10 is also fine. Between Windows 11, 256 GB hard disk, minimum 4 GB of RAM is needed. Any processor, AMD processor, Ryzen processor, you can have. Gaming laptop is also fine, but you don't buy Celeron laptops. 35,000 rupees if you invest, you can get a good laptops. If you wanted to buy a desktop, 20,000 rupees, i3, i4, you can get very beautiful machines. You can opt for this kind of a configurations. Sarena, you need to have these laptops. That is the thing I'm going to be talking about it. So this is the IT industry. IT industry is going to be working with the data only. So if you wanted to work with anything, you have to know about data. So without data, nothing is going to work. So one of the journalists asked to the Microsoft, what do you mean by data? Microsoft says data is currency today. Data is what, Nana? Currency today. It is nothing but next generation fuel. It is a fuel today. You can get large amount of money with the help of the data, because Google and Facebook does not selling any product to you. WhatsApp is not giving you anything to you directly, but they are very rich in this world because they have your data. Amazon is selling some product, they're rich. But why Amazon, Twitter is rich today? Why Google is rich today? Why, other, companies are rich today? WhatsApp is rich because they have your data. Data is next generation fuel today, or currency today. That is what Microsoft is saying. It is told by the Microsoft company. Then you ask, what is a data? That is whatever you think about, that is a data. Everything, whatever you are thinking today, that is a data, data, data. Without data, AI is not there, ML is not there, your chat GPT is not there, so your robotics are not there, robots are not there. And without data, nothing is there today. Remember that. So everything with the data, data, data. Artificial intelligence, machine learning. People are talking about chat GPT, robots. People are talking about driverless cars. Okay, home automation. Whatever you think of, everything data, 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 data. Today, that is what Google is telling you. But the question. So let me tell you, what is a data analytics? Or it is also called as a business intelligence. Okay, so data analytics means understanding the past. Understanding the past is called data analytics. Amazon has a lot of data. Every day you're buying the products in the amazon.com, or you may be buying the products in some other company, but end of the day that company wanted to ask, what was my sales last month, what was my sales last year, what was my sales last 5 years, what was my sales last 10 years. They wanted to what was clear. Was means what? Past. What was my sales in India last 5 years? That is the Amazon company wanted to know. They wanted to understand the past. That is what is called a data analytics or business intelligence means. But we have also today data science. Clear? It is also called as what, Nana? Data science is also called as artificial intelligence, or it is also called as a machine learning. So what is the meaning of this? Data science means predict the future. Clear? Both of them are not same. Both of them are different. The Amazon company wanted to predict what will be my sales in the next 5 years. What would be, అర్థమవుతుందా? What would be my sales in India next 5 years? I would like to predict something. Predictions purpose, we're going to be using artificial intelligence or machine learning. Clear? If you wanted to get into data analytics, what all you need to learn? You need to learn SQL. You need to learn, as I told you, Power BI. You have to learn data warehousing. You need to learn, so SSIS, nothing but your ETL, and all of them you need to learn. You can complete within 3 months. Clear? You can get a job within 3 months. You can go into data analytics. But if you wanted to get into data science, you have to know all these things. All these things you need to know. Plus, extra you need to learn Python. Okay. Python you need to learn, that is 1 month course. This is only 1 month course you can learn Python. Plus, you need to learn ML or machine learning. ML or machine learning. So that will give you 18 months course. ML and machine learning will take you minimum 18 months, 12 to or 15 to 16 months it will take, or 15 to 18 months it is going to be taking. So this is the course duration of your A and ML. So, and plus you need to know completely in depth of maths, in depth of stats. Clear? And you need to know problem solving skills you need to have. Problem solving skills you need to have. So this is what is called artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is very, very complicated. Don't think that everybody is telling AI, AI. You should not be jumping into AI. You cannot easily crack the job. Clear? I'm telling you, AI is very, very good. It is very complicated model. You need to have good understanding of mathematics. This needs 10th class mathematics. This needs a higher understanding of mathematics, higher understanding of problem solving. You need to learn a lot of algorithms, data structures. You need to learn one coding, one programming language called Python. Python you can learn within 1 month, but machine learning algorithms will take a lot of months. Plus, you need to learn SQL, Power BI, because without data, even AI and ML is not going to work. Clear? So I don't recommend to go jump into this. If you're really interested, you get the job within 3 months, then you can jump into this. Once you join the company, work for 5 years as a data analyst, then jump into this. Clear? I don't recommend directly. You cannot jump into A and ML, because ML is good. A is very, very good, which is very, very important and complicated also. Not everybody can do. So what understanding the past is called a data analytics or the business intelligence predictions. Okay, I wanted to know what how many people may be into diabetic next 5 years in India. A pharma company wanted to predict. So based on that, they wanted to have their inventory medicine and everything they can plan. Because of that, what is the medicine I can manufacture, I can prepare. So if I don't have the inventory, if I don't have the raw material, so if you wanted to maintain the raw material and if you wanted to manufacture the production, then definitely I need to talk about what is the total, you know, what is it? The forecasting is very, very important. How much of, products I need to, manufacture, or what is the medicine I need to produce. So how do you know? You have to predict next 5 years how many people are going to be turning into diabetics in India. I would like to predict based on the based on the obesity data. How is the obesity data is increasing in India? And I need to get the historical data, every year data. The Indian government will be releasing to the pharma companies. Pharma companies will predict how many may get into data, cardiac issues, how many people may be in the diabetics, how many people may turn into lot of issues. All of them can be predicted. So predictions can be done with the help of a data science. Clear? Or artificial intelligence. Clear? So that is what. If you ask me what is artificial intelligence means, if you ask me what is AI, okay, even though it is data analytics course, but you need to tell what do you mean by AI. AI means any computer not intelligent, right? Do you think that your computer is intelligent? Your computer is not intelligent. Clear? No software is intelligent. No machine is intelligent. What is artificial intelligence means? Make the computer intelligent. That is what is the artificial intelligence means. Make the machine intelligent or computer intelligent. Make the computer intelligent. With that intelligence, you do some activities. Whatever be the activities that you do, there are 50 ways how you can make the computer intelligent. Clear? There are hundreds of ways. Clear? One of the way is nothing but your machine learning algorithms. Okay, you can give 100 ways. One of the way you can make a machine intelligent is with the help of a machine learning algorithm. Clear? So within the machine learning algorithm, you have your AI and deep learning. All of them are going to be coming. You have, so somewhere here, AI is going to be, you're going to be coming via deep learning. Within machine learning, there is a deep learning algorithm is also there. With the help of a deep learning algorithm, you have neural networks and everything. Today, Chart GPT is going to be created with the help of this. Okay, so this is called as today your generative AI or Gen AI. Clear? So you have artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Make the machine intelligent. So how do you make machine intelligent? There are hundreds of ways. One of the way you need to give is machine learning. You need to give machine learning algorithm so that machine can learn from that algorithm. It will become intelligent. So machines are not intelligent, right? Do you think that machines are intelligent? No. It can give you 2 plus 2 equals to 4, but it cannot think on its own. So that is what you're going to be giving machines to the intelligence. How do you give? There are some machine learning algorithms that you're going to be giving. Okay. Within the machine learning algorithm, there is a deep learning algorithm. So you need not worry about all of them. It is not there in your program, but I'm just giving you so that tomorrow if you wanted to, tell you, at least to your friend, not to the interviewer, because people will not be asking about it is a deep learning. Using the deep learning algorithm today, there is a version called Chart GPT is released. It is a one more AI, that is what is called generative AI. So it is a subset of AI module. So generative AI is going to be generating the text. It will take the text, it will take input, and it will give you output. Clear? Output may be text, output may be your video file, or output may be video file. It is going to be generating. It is going to be generating text. It will take the text, or it will take the sound and audio, video. It can produce the text or video or the audio. So this is what is called generative AI. Normal AI is going to be doing predictions. Normal AI is going to be doing what in the predictions, or it is going to be doing cluster, okay, cluster algorithm or a regression. These are the three things normal AI is going to be doing, but generative AI is not going to be predicting, is not going to be clustering, is not going to be performing regression algorithms and everything. But what generative AI is going to be doing, it is going to be taking the data from the human being. It is going to be giving you beautiful content, or it can give you, hey, I need a video background should be C, and front end I need to have a beautiful girl. It will create a video and it can give it to you, or it can also give you a audio file or whatever you need, image file, audio file, video, everything it can generate. So Gen AI is going to be of your subset of AI. It is going to be working with the help of a deep learning algorithm, which is a subset of machine learning algorithm. And there is an algorithm called neural network or large language model. All these things are useless for you. All these things are, don't worry about it. If you wanted to know how the generative AI is different than the normal AI. Normal AI can predict something, but generative AI is going to be generating the text. It is taking the text and generating text. It is not going to be predicting anything. So Chat GPT is your generative AI, or your any robot. Many people are going to be making chat bots. Chatbot is nothing but a best example for Gen AI. Clear? Or your Gemini software, Google is released recently. It is what is your, Gen AI application, Chat GPT. Or if you go to this one, even this Copilot, when you go here, there's a Copilot. This is also similar to Chat GPT, which is also generative AI. Generative AI is not going to predict something. Generative AI is completely what? It is going to be taking the text as an input. It is going to be giving you text as an output. I wanted to have one good, image. So the graphics people are gone today. The Chat GPT can give, or Gemini software can give you, or you can have the Copilot software can give you. Because of generative AI, I need a background to be like this. I need to have beautiful girls, a beautiful school college background. I need to have a theme like this. Within 2 minutes, you will be able to get the image. So the image can be given with the help of your software. Chat GPT can take the text. It can give you only text. But Gemini, this is also from Google. Chat GPT from OpenAI. It is from OpenAI. One more company. It is from Google. It can give you can give the text. You can get the video and audio. Lot of some other softwares are available. You can give the text. It can give you the small videos and everything. Okay, Sora is one more software recently launched. Sora. Clear? It is also kind of a Chat GPT application or Gen AI applications. So all these things you need to know, but don't worry about all of them today, because you're not going to be working towards AI, But if somebody asks you, what is AI? What is, machine learning? What is a deep learning? If somebody asks, you can say AI means what, Nana? AI means make the computer intelligent. Human beings are normally intelligent, but computers are intelligent. So how you make the computer intelligent? With the help of a machine learning algorithms or instructions. Okay. What are these algorithms? We have again a deep learning algorithm, right? You have supervised learning, unsupervised learning. A lot of things are there. We are not going to be learning artificial intelligence. I wanted to just give you what is AI. If you wanted to know about AI, this is what. So we are not going to be discussing AI at all. We are going to be completely focusing on this. And what is data analytics means? BI. And tomorrow I'll be talking about what is data warehousing, what is SSIS, what is ETL. All these things we're going to be discussing in tomorrow's class. And tomorrow, same timing, we are going to meet with the same meeting ID. Hope you're able to enjoy the class. IT industry, even AI is not going to be there without data. Remember that point. Clear? So data is very, very important. Without data, your software industry is not there. Without SQL, without SQL, nothing is going to work in this world. IT industry is going to be only storing the data, processing the data. So today, for the processing side, we are having a lot of AI and ML applications. Clear? So tomorrow I'll talk about what is data analytics, what is ETL, what is data warehousing, which you did not understand today. So we'll continue in tomorrow's class and hope you're able to enjoy. And if you have any questions, you can ask me now. Thank you guys. And we'll continue further in demo number 2 in tomorrow's class. Okay. So tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, tomorrow Saturday. So we're going to be having, so tomorrow, same time, same meeting ID will be there. Hope you have enjoyed it. Don't worry if you're not able to enjoy also. Tomorrow I'll make it much more simple so that you will be able to understand. If you don't understand AI, don't worry because it is not important. Simple, I wanted to give you some introduction about AI I have given. So that is not very important for you. Clear, guys?